Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Love Wildflower and I'm coming at you today with another hair tutorial. Today what we're going to do is a home deep conditioner. And when I say home deep conditioner, basically I mean all natural products. Like you could eat this deep conditioner. Not that you would want to, because it probably doesn't taste, well actually it might not taste that bad. I think that the best hair products have ingredients contained in them that you can also ingest, because if it's safe for the inside of my body, that means that it's safe for the outside of my body. We're gonna blend up some deep conditioner and I'll show you guys what I'm gonna use today. Most of these things are probably already in y'all's pantry, but I'll also post the list below in the description box. So that way if somebody's just checking out my videos, you can go ahead and look at the list if you need to run to the grocery store. What you're gonna need is 1/4 of a cup of plain Greek yogurt. I got this brand from Aldi's. Greek yogurt is going to do in this deep conditioner, it's going to help your hair have a balance of protein and moisture. That's going to help if you have dryness like I have right now. 1 ripe banana. Mine is pretty brown and pretty squishy at this point. And basically bananas are full of vitamins that hair really needs, like potassium and stuff like that. You're going to need 1 tablespoon of raw or pure honey. What honey does, honey is a natural humectant, which means that it helps retain moisture. So when the honey is mixed with the oils that we're also going to put in a deep conditioner, it's going to help your hair retain moisture. You need 2 to 3 tablespoons of extra virgin olive oil, and you guys know all about oils. This is just going to help with the moisture in your hair. And 1 egg. It has a lot of vitamins that your hair really can use. I can't tell y'all exactly which vitamins, I just know that I've used them before in my hair and it's turned out really great. What I'm going to do is I'm going to take all those ingredients and I'm going to put them in a blender, and I'll put the ratios of each in the description box below so that you guys can know how much. But it's 1 ripe banana, it is 1/4 cup of plain Greek yogurt, it is 1 tablespoon of honey, 2 to 3 tablespoons of extra virgin olive oil, and I'm gonna use 3 just because I have more hair, and 1 egg. And I'm gonna put all of those things in a blender, blend them up, and then I'm gonna deep condition my hair with them. I'm gonna wash my hair first and then put the deep conditioner on, sit with it for probably about 15 to 20 minutes, and then I'll come back and show you guys. But first, I'll show you guys what my hair looks like right now. It's just in like this little slick bun, like bun twist thingy, but if you can see the actual bun, is really dry. I'm doing a healthy hair challenge right now, and I want to basically wash my hair every week. And so it's been about a week. It's actually been a week and maybe 2 days since I've washed my hair, but for me that's really good because I usually go 2 to 3 weeks without washing my hair. I want you guys to see what it looks like right now before I deep condition it. Then once I deep condition it, I'm going to come back and show you guys just how moisturized it looks and stuff like that. But this is my hair. The roots don't really appear to be very dry, which I would probably say that they're not. But the ends of my hair are really dry. So, yeah, that's my hair right now. It's been in a bun for the last couple of days, and I am going to wash it and deep condition it, and then after I deep condition it, I'm going to put it in protective style for the next week, so that it can just get a break really from being manipulated and stuff like that. But yes, so I'm going to go blend up my deep conditioner, and then I'll come back and show you guys what the consistency and the thickness looks like so that you can know what you're looking for when you blend yours up. And then I'll come back at the end of this video and show you guys how moisturized my hair is after I apply the deep conditioner and let it sit on for a while and everything like that. I'll be right back. Hey guys, so I'm back and I've blended up my deep conditioner. It's a very bright yellow hue, and the consistency is kind of watery. So I added like 2 extra tablespoons of Greek yogurt to see if I could thicken up the consistency. But it didn't help very much. So it's actually been a while since I've done at-home DIY deep conditioners. This is a recipe that I got off the internet, and then I added the egg to it because I know that I've used egg before and it's been really great in my hair. So I actually don't know how great this is going to turn out, so we're going to learn together. But I've heard really great things about bananas, and I've had bananas in deep conditioners I've used before, just never that I can remember have I used this exact recipe. If you're gonna deep condition your hair, you probably want to do it coming out of the shower. or when you don't have on any nice clothes. Like, I definitely wouldn't do it in this t-shirt because it's gonna get all over the place because of how watery it is. And like you can see, it has a little bit of thickness to it, but not a ton. I'm gonna go ahead and wash my hair, and then I'm going to apply the deep conditioner and sit with it on. I'll come back and I'll show you guys how I apply my deep conditioner. Hey guys, so I'm back and my hair is fully washed. And I have applied the deep conditioner to 3 sections out of the 4 of my hair. So my hair is wet. It's not soaking wet anymore, but it's wet enough for the deep conditioner to be able to penetrate the strands. And this is the deep conditioner. It's really messy, unfortunately, so it's like dripping all down the side of my neck. But so basically I scoop it out in my hand and kind of wipe the excess off, and then I just apply starting at the root, and I'll work my way down to the tips of my hair. Make sure that I use all of the deep conditioner because I don't have anything to put in it to preserve it for its like last in the fridge or anything like that. So I'm not able to save it. So basically I just worked it into each section of my hair. And I'm standing over a sink right now, so the excess is just like dripping into the sink. Because like I said, guys, this is really, really messy. But once I rinse it out of my hair and we'll see how moisturized my hair is, maybe we'll hopefully see that the mess was worth it. This section is about fully covered. I make sure I focus on the tips of my hair, and then I just roll the section a little bit. I don't roll it tightly because I don't want to squeeze all the product out of it. And then I just take my little clip and clip it. And that's it. I have a little bit of conditioner left, so I'm going to go ahead and take that and just like smooth it over other parts of my hair. Especially in the back, because my hair is really dry in the back. So what you guys are seeing here is I'm just smoothing the product into the rest of my hair. And what I was saying earlier is I had to make sure that I use all of the deep conditioner because I haven't added a preservative to these ingredients to make sure that they last longer. And especially things like the banana would expire really soon. So I'm just making sure I get it deep down into my hair. That's it. So as you can see, my hair is fully saturated with the deep conditioner. And since I don't have a plastic cap, y'all, plastic bag. So when I put a plastic bag on my head, I literally go like that. And I pull the extra to the back. And I kind of like twist it like it's a bun. And then I just tuck it up under. And that's it. So my hair has the deep conditioner on it. I'm going to let this sit for at least 20 minutes while I just straighten up some things in the bathroom and finish some other stuff. Then I'm going to rinse it out of my hair and I'll come back and show you guys what that looks like. Hey guys, I'm back and my hair is all washed out at this point. I washed the deep conditioner out and you guys, my hair feels amazing. Like, not even joking. This is my first time, like I said, doing this mixture of deep conditioner. Although I've done plenty of DIY at home conditioners, and my hair feels so good. As I was rinsing it out, I noticed that it just felt like strong, and like you can see that it's really moisturized. It feels amazing. It's actually detangled and it just feels really great. So my suggestion, try this deep conditioner. You guys probably won't regret it. You might want to alter it a little bit depending on if your hair is protein sensitive or not. I know eggs have protein in them, so if your hair is protein sensitive, you don't want to add the egg. But I would say try it. The way I've honestly learned my hair, trial and error. I learned what's worked and I learned what hasn't worked. Next, what I'm going to be doing is putting my hair in a protective style, but that'll be in a whole different video. So thank you guys for watching this video. I hope that you really enjoyed it. I hope that you get all the things you need to combat your winter dryness, or maybe where you're at it's not winter right now, but we still got to combat the dry hair. And like I said, yeah, my hair feels amazing. And I will talk to you guys soon. Like, comment, subscribe. See you later.